Hi everyone, welcome to Using Google Docs to Improve Student Writing. As a quick introduction to the course, I just want to make sure that you are aware of how things are structured for each module, and hopefully I can answer a few questions regarding how to navigate through each module as we get through this course. In total, we have 5 modules. We do have an introductory module, which some of you have already started working on, and then we'll have a module that will open each week of the course. Module 1 is open, and I am going to use Module 1 as an example of how things are structured for each module. Typically when we get to a module, I have some sort of written information here as far as how we're getting into things for the course, or for that module, excuse me. And then typically what you will see for each module are resources or tutorials, resource tutorial, and these will be the videos that I create each week that kind of tie everything together for the course. This resource that I'm doing right now is this introduction page and just an overview of what things look like in this course. You will also see a resource tutorial on getting started and finding purpose, and then you've already seen the resource for the final project guidelines. And you may have noticed that those final project guidelines are for a different course, but because I do the same final project for all of my courses, the instructions remain the same, and you just have to be aware that sometimes when I refer to effective formative assessment using tech tools, that actually works for this course as well. Also in the courses, you will see maybe a rubric for the final project. Typically this hand and the piece of paper indicates it's an activity. You are exempt in this regard. I'm actually going to change that to a resource. But this is the rubric that I use for all the final projects. In every single module, as you probably are familiar with, if you've taken an online course, you will see a forum. So the forum discussion is where you will post an initial post and then usually 2 replies. And then if there is an activity, that is typically something you will hand in or submit for the module of that week. This structure remains the same each week. There will always be resource tutorials, there will always be a forum, and there will always be a couple activities that go along with the module. Also, just a final note, remember that the final project has an element due each week of the course. So by the end of the 4 weeks, you should have all elements of your final project completed and submitted to its respective location. If you have any questions about the course, please let me know. Otherwise, that is it.